afternoon. The innovation I am going to present today, it is a story of transformation and a revolution in the reverse osmosis industry. The barrel, safe, compact, digital, and smart alternative solution to replace the traditional reverse osmosis skids. You can imagine single piece of equipment can treat up to 50,000 cubic meters per day. This is not magic. This is real. This is the barrel. Our story in Veolia started in 2016 to mitigate the repeated challenges in the traditional RO industry, to reduce the safety risk for operators, to increase the plant operation easiness, and for sure to reduce the CapEx, OpEx, and tariff, and for sure the footprint for the water treatment plant. Improve the construction, operation maintenance, especially for the large desalination plants. The process remains the same. The design evolved to match the market needs. We replace thousands of the high-pressure connections into only 2 high-pressure connections. We keep the pre- and post-treatment as it is. The process implementation is strictly identical to the normal RO. We just easily replace the RO skids into the barrel system. May some of you will wondering, what is the barrel? What it looks like? This short video will introduce and give you some points for the barrel and how it looks like.
SIDM is proud to present its safe, modular, compact, and digital reverse osmosis desalination technology, the barrel.
Fast track project schedule for the fast track projects, low carbon footprint, unchanged process, the same proven process for the reverse osmosis skids, OpEx saving, and for sure, CapEx saving. Optimization for the footprint. Comparing to the normal skids, it can optimize up to 25% reduction in the footprint. Outdoor installation, instead to make stainless steel hangers or indoor equipment for the normal RO skids, our barrel system is insulated for cold and hot countries. And it is equipped for CapEx saving through cost reduction of the buildings required for the normal skids. It's scalable. We have many models. It starts from 400 cubic meter per day till B37 can equip until 30,000 cubic meter per day. It's a modular design. This is just configuration, length, and the diameter for different types of barrel, what we have right now. Digital, each membrane inside the barrel system is equipped with a smart connector, which is connected to our artificial intelligence system, the hub grade, which collect all the data, all the parameters from the membrane, and it can be shown remotely through any smart device. This is a real-time unit membrane monitoring, so the operation and maintenance team can follow up the plant operation and the status of each element of the membrane in real time. For sure, it will provide the end users many advantages in terms of operation and maintenance, and for sure, chemicals reduction. So we have reduction of overall equipment, real-time performance monitoring with the smart connectors, high control of the performance, better shutdown maintenance planning, and no more propping. This is the architect and how it connects to our artificial system, predictive maintenance to the O&M team, process performance optimization, 5 to 10% CIB frequency reduction comparing to the conventional RO skids, membrane replacement rate reduction, chemical saving, and up to 10% energy saving come from the HVAC and the power saving from the building required for the normal RO skids. This is time-lapse video. We'll show a real video installation in Oman, in sewer plant for desalination. It's only in one day. We are making an assembly and complete installation for one unit, 5,000 cubic meter per day. uh, 2 by 500 cubic meter per day. We have another one for Sydney. It's almost 10,000 cubic meter per day. B1 type 1, it is multiple, it's one unit, 10,000 cubic meter per day, produce 9,600. This application for micropollutant removal for potable water plant